And it's so nice to be here that you don't want to spend time traveling and thinking about it and worrying about it. So when I hear there are new apartments and everything is new and it's just starting, I just love the idea. So I just thought I would come and try and see what it's like to be on a campus, on a spot. Every place is different. This place, for me, coming in the middle of the winter, was just great that I would be in a safe, warm place with other people, everything in one place. We've got lecture halls just next to my room. We've got a kitchen that we share here if we want to have a breakfast anytime during the day, any snack, any meal. So it's just like being at home. Everybody, every meditation should come at least once, but I think if you come once, you'll be wanting to come more. First of all, it's Maharishi's house. Maharishi-house house is just, I can see it from my window. And when you come here, you're going to visit Maharishi's house where he spent his last 18 years of his life in here. So we're having celebrations in Maharishi's house. We are invited there for lectures, for meetings. And just having this new development of apartments is just such an added bonus that we can actually have everything in one place. Come here and try it, and you will love it. Just like me, I've been coming here even without apartments, but now it's just my place to come back.